Hello, everyone. My name is Shawn Moore. I'm a principal cloud network architect on the North America Shared Security and Network Services team. In this video, I'll show how to configure a replication channel for MySQL across OCI regions. This channel provides a DR solution by copying transactions from the source database to a replica database. The source and replica databases can be located in separate OCI regions, providing the ability to quickly recover your data during an unplanned event affecting an entire region. For this demo, we'll deploy a replication channel using two MySQL databases located in separate regions, Ashburn and Phoenix. The regions are interconnected by a remote peering connection attached to each region's dynamic routing gateway. We'll verify routing and security rules are applied to allow channel access from the replica database in Phoenix. And once confirmed, we'll deploy our channel and verify it establishes a successful connection to the source DB in Ashburn. Let's head over to our demo. Looking in our OCI console, we'll start with the source MySQL database located in the Ashburn region. The DB system information page provides configuration details, including info such as the VCN, subnet, and AD placement. Note the endpoint's IP address 10.0.0.150 and the assigned MySQL ports. Now, let's take a look at the subnet hosting this MySQL database. Each OCI subnet includes a route table and associated security lists. Starting with the route table, notice the 172.16 route with the Ashburn DRG as the net top. Under our security lists, I've created two ingress rules that permits access over the two MySQL ports we captured earlier. We can take advantage of OCI's network visualizer, which provides a high-level view of our OCI network architecture. Starting with the hexagon shape on the right, this is our VCN that hosts our Ashburn source database. The DRG is the orange circle, and the link on the right represents the VCN attachment. The link on the left side shows our remote peering connection to the Phoenix DRG. Moving to the Phoenix region, note the IP address listed in our replica MySQL database falls in the 172.16 CIDR range we saw earlier in the Ashburn VCN route table. Let's take a look at its subnet route table. And here, we'll note that the return route has a path back to the Ashburn 10/24 network that's also pointed at its own Phoenix DRG. The subnet also has a security list with ingress rules that allow the MySQL ports as well. So switching over to the Phoenix DRG, let's take a look at the route table assigned to the Phoenix VCN attachment. Once selected, we'll go up to Get All Route Rules. And in here, we'll see that we have a route back to the source MySQL database network via the remote peering connection, proving that we have bidirectional connectivity between Phoenix and Ashburn. At this point, we're now ready to move forward with the creation of a replication channel that will connect across both regions. Let's head back to our replica MySQL database menu and scroll down to the channel selection and then click Create Channel. Here, I'll provide a name. Then I'll scroll down and enter in my source connection IP address. I'll keep the default MySQL port, and then I'll enter in my source database credentials. For this demo, I'll leave everything else as default. But if we scroll down, we'll see that the target DB system automatically selected our Phoenix replication database. Let's go ahead and create channel. And after a few minutes, our channel should be created. After a few moments, our channel is deployed successfully in an active state. Note the source host IP address is connected to, along with the MySQL port it's connecting over. At this time, you can verify that your source MySQL database is properly replicating data to the target replica database. This concludes our demo. To recap, we verified routing and security rules were in place to establish a cross-regional replication channel for MySQL. We then created the MySQL channel and confirmed that it was deployed successfully. To learn more about OCI MySQL databases and best practices, please visit our website at oci.com.